Hi, it's Loan from GuTech, and today we're gonna quickly talk about one problem I have when I do 3D printing with this model. This is the game insert, and the first one I print, I found it shifted a little bit in the X direction because it was printed like this. So I said, okay, maybe it's just a little bit shake of the machine or whatever, so it's fine. I tried to bring the second one. This is the second one I bring. You see, the trouble is much more. This I have time to check on it, and I found it, so I stop it in the between. And you see it completely shifted in the X direction again. Okay, it's supposed to be like this. It shifted in the X direction like this much. You see here, like this much shifted. But the shift is very straight. So I think maybe there's something that actually stop the machine at this layer to go further this way, and it set the new zero here, and the whole thing got shifted. And my doubt is it's a big piece, and I printed with like 5% infill only. And you can see the material doesn't have enough space to hang on, and I created some blocked like here. Like you see, there was some blocked up in the air, and I get this one. We stop the machine to go to the maximum X in this way. Of course, it doesn't stop the nozzle because the nozzle is super hot, right? But it's good before it reach the nozzle. You have to pass like the fan and the casing of the nozzle. So that one is actually the one that stopped the whole thing to go to the whole extruder to go to the X side here. So I try to increase the infill here from 5% to 10% with this model. And as you see with this model, it also stopped in the middle. Okay, this is my fault basically because it gets shifted by the instead of X, it's shifted by the Y direction. Because while I'm trying to make video and check where the thing gets blocked here to show you, I mistakenly stop the machine like this direction, like I stop it right here. So you can see in the video that I did somehow stop the machine going in the Y direction. So of course everything got shifted. You see from here, this one got shifted to here, and it's in that. Of course I had to stop it in between. But it's confirmed my theory is that there's some block or something that stops the extruder to go in one direction, and that's how everything got shifted. To avoid this kind of thing, the infill had to be like enough for everything to hang out. Even with this 10% infill, you could see some blockage here and there. And since it's big, this guy, when it blocked, it have time to cool down and it become a kind of solid to stuck to the extruder, so to stop the extruder to move in the Y direction. Sorry, that could make it shifted like in X direction or the Y direction. So here's the last one I try with 10% infill, and this time it come out nice and beautiful like you see here. So yeah, this is things that I learned with this insert, and I would like to share with you so you don't have the same mistake like me. If you like the channel, please subscribe to it, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy making!